Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2007 Audi A3 in silver with gray leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 2-liter 4-cylinder front-wheel drive engine, and it also has a dual moonroof. It's a manual transmission, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. You also have your heated mirror controls located there, and down below is the release for your gas tank as well as your hatch. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of the steering wheel is your media control as well as the volume, and you also have your cruise control. So this is a manual transmission, and I'm just going to start it up for you. So I've got to take my foot off the clutch here, and in the center on your dash you're seeing any important messages. So right now it's the temperature, how many kilometers to empty, and off to the side is your odometer reading. In the center is your air vents. You've also got your hazard lights. This is a little bin that you can put things into. Just push it closed, and there's your CD player, and you also have AM, FM, as well as Sirius satellite radio. You can scan through there. You've got dual climate control for driver and passenger, and econ as well. You've got heated seats for both driver and passenger, as well as front and rear defrost. Down below is a little cubby, and you can just close that up if you don't want it. There's your manual shifter, and as well your emergency parking brake. There's an armrest. You can open that up. You can put things in there. When you pop this open, down below is a 12-volt and a cigarette lighter. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, auto dimming rear view mirror. You've got lighting controls here as well as here. And then when you want to open up that sunroof, you simply can tilt it. I'm just going to push the button here and slide it open. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, as well as dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up the hatch, you can do so by pushing the release inside the vehicle, or you can push and hold on the fob, and it just power releases it for you, making it easier to get in. And then just put your hand below the Audi badge and lift right up. Inside, you're seeing extra carpeted mats. There's a 12-volt as well as a little bin off to the side, as well as hooks to be able to tether things. And you've also got a nice tonneau cover to keep everything out of sight. When you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand underneath and pull. Your hatch is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker and power windows in the door. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. In the center there's an armrest. You can pop the button open in the front here for a couple of cup holders, and there's more storage inside. And I'm just going to show you how the 60-40 split works, but first I have to close this up because this is the 60 side. And you just pull the button here and the seat will come right down. You're seeing extra carpeted mats and a tonneau cover, and in the center is your pass-through, and you've got an anchor on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then just flip the seat right back up and it's in the upright position. On the floor there's all-weather mats. There's netting on the back of the seat to put slim items in. You've got the lock release there in the center. Up above there's handles as well as part of the moonroof, because it's a dual moonroof. And in the back there's lighting. Passenger side, gas cap. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.